was like, are you okay? I was like, no. What did you wake up in the morning and say to me? It's like on the vlog, your vlog.
I don't know what I said, but I remember you were just like passed out.
See, I can't get that drunk anymore. I tried.
Do you remember
I
we went
struggle to
out
get
a
drunk
year
now.
ago when we went to Club Live and me and Han were videoing you asleep?
In the club?
No, in the Airbnb we stayed at.
Yes.
We was taking Rachel's makeup
Oh
off.
my god. And then we got like the best avocado and eggs the next morning.
Oh my god,
Oh,
yeah.
that was delicious.
Where was I?
Fast
Asleep. Full face of makeup, like everything.
Wait, was this the Airbnb where
I mean, I am planning.
We haven't even started the video. Did you say hi?
No, but I mean, do I ever in these videos?
I don't know.
Really, so.
Should we say we're back? I was really upset because
I'm so
because I was really wait, I'm actually really upset. No, so I was really
Are you
trying
already crying?
to it's actually not my nose that went in the end of me. No, I was really trying to like
actually
sing
like a
just
fucking
then.
mess.
The longer I sang, your face went. So then my voice went. You didn't
No,
look
do you
like
know what? I
that. You
actually
thought that
can't
was
cry
good.
before we film.
No, I've
like,
ruined it.
the other
I've
two videos.
absolutely ruined
Oh,
everything.
Did you realise that?
What's that? What the fuck is that?
I mean,
You look fine. You can't even tell.
This is pretty
I mean,
far
it's so
away.
far away. Like, I'm probably not even gonna see you.
After you say what this kind of video is, you guys know the drill. What the fuck it. And then say like, we're gonna switch phones. What's that noise? What is that noise? What is that noise?
It's that voice on TikTok like,
Mummy!
No, I'm joking. Hello, guys.
Oh my god.
We are back.
Woo!
Trying not to cry before I've actually started this video.
it's just really emotional.
We all asked for say or shorty questions on our Instagram.
I hate doing this.
I've had
because
like a brief
people
look
ask
of
me-
them.
Mads is doing straight vodka. Vanilla vodka, I don't know. Is everything alright at home? It's always straight vodka with you.
Like, it's, oh, I can't.
Hannah's just got the apple sours, you know, sweet but doable.
AK.
For God's sake.
Sweet but doable. And I've got honey tequila, and neither of them knew about honey tequila until
so
this
good.
moment. Happy to be back,
Happy to be
everyone.
back.
Very
Cheers.
Cheers.
Do you know what? You say that about sours. But I have a flashback to when we filmed that Get Ready With Me and then went to Club Live after.
That's all.
And I had a beauty bay shoot the next day. And I swear to God, I have never been so bad.
I remember your dad drove us and we was both sat in the back of the car like, woo!
What was the night that you?
It's because it's so easy to
You
drink.
like gave up your vegetarianism at McDonald's and was like, you just want fucking chicken.
Oh yeah!
When was that? What was that for? Was that your birthday?
It was neighbourhood.
I feel like in neighbourhood
remember
we
that.
got like, what did we get? Like chicken nuggets and mozzarella dippers?
Yes.
I don't know. Well, like that's not a
I
problem
don't know
for
where you
me.
went.
Oh wait, but I was there. Because I've got it on film in
Oh,
the
no, wait, you
car.
stayed in
Me
a
and Maddie are in the back of the car filming, and you're in the front, and we're like,
Yeah,
was
so
only
you stayed in a
checking.
different room because you went early the next day, didn't you?
I mean, I always like to stay on my own, so I don't really know where I was. I'm just too much of a like, I'm gonna shit, fart, fuck in the night. So we're swapping phones.
Okay.
Rachel scares me.
Fuck's sake!
Great.
But now you're asking me, and you're gonna be like, oh, like here we go.
Times.
Okay.
Right, can we rock, paper, scissors? I want to rock, paper, scissors to who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Right, so now it's us.
Oh, fuck
Rock,
it, so I'm going first.
Oh.
So we'll go that way.
Right,
Rachel. When did you last have sex?
No, that's that's so mean because it's been. Oh, you know this, Mom.
I mean, you can shot it, but I mean, you may as well not.
You can tell I'm upset about it, but I'm just gonna
This
shot
is the
it
thing
because.
with say, oh, shot it is like if you shot it, then
How
it's
big's a
obvious.
shot?
It's just. I mean, yeah.
It could be yesterday.
I'm gonna shot it
could be
because
today.
I like this drink, and that question's really upset me because I don't want to think about it and I don't want to talk about it. So cheers.
I feel like I've achieved something when someone shots instead of actually
answering it.
says something.
Oh my god, I think. Sorry, someone asked for your bank details.
I know. I was like, I'd rather not.
The first one's a good one, but I said that I don't want to be asked any questions about it. So like,
What is it?
what did I say? Like, I don't want any questions about this. But then I said it's funny because we all have. All right, you're gonna pull that face and I'll ask it to you.
Oh,
Okay. So my question to you is:
I don't want to know.
have you ever got with a Love Islander? A Love Islander, da 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 da. A Love Islander. And if so, what series?
I'm obviously just gonna have to shot that. So
You could say yeah and a series.
I don't actually know what series it'd be. No, I'm just gonna shot it. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Why am I even pouring it? It's whatever.
Get it down your neck.
Like I said, who hasn't? You can do it. Sorry, I blinked and it was gone.
Alright, sorry, I do not want to.
I think if you're doing shots that big, it's 2. Or it's a chug. So.
Do you know what? I actually will end up drinking this whole thing and then I will be the one that's on the floor.
Yeah.
Like, I know you've got tequila and vodka, but I will be the one
My
that's
throat's
actually dying.
warm.
My face is warm.
Oh.
My eyes are warm.
Oh.
Are you getting glazed?
That's when you
It's just
know.
like a little
When
bit
you can't see
there. Guys, I'm trying to pick you like a good one. Okay. Who was the last person you kissed? Don't give me like a shit answer like your mum.
Me dog.
Lots of lips with my puppy.
Actually don't know.
Oh my god. What a sad life.
It was a while ago, okay? I just can't remember because it was so long ago. Oh, well the last guy I was seeing, but I'm not gonna
name names.
name names. Do I
My
wanna know?
question to you is, what's the biggest secret you've kept from Madison and myself?
Me. I don't know.
I feel like we're very open.
Yeah, we are very
Sometimes
open.
too open. And it's not really too
I pick my
open.
nose sometimes.
I mean, yeah, don't we all?
I feel like there's
But that's
never
not something I've
something
ever
I've
said.
like consciously not told you.
No,
like,
there's
there's
nothing
nothing
that
that
I
you don't know
like
about my
like
life.
a big secret that I'm
Yeah.
like, do you know what? You probably know more about me than Rach does.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't say those things on camera, so I'm just gonna
Shock
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is the most psycho thing that you've done in a relationship?
That's such a good one.
Do you two have like one for me that I've told you and you've been like, what the hell?
No, but I feel like you have. You probably will have one.
I've got many.
There are many.
It's not psycho. I'd say it's a bit like
Says
Mads,
every
what you
psycho.
doing.
The
I
thing
think
is,
so.
everything you say, I'm like, Mads, what the fuck? So like, nothing really like stick. Not
I think
literally, but
the
like.
most psycho thing I can think of is I tried to guess someone's password.
I've done that.
Yeah, I'd
Oh.
say that's probably been my
I've only
psycho.
ever done that in one relationship
Yeah, me
when I was
too.
like young.
Exactly, yeah, I was young
But-
as well. Literally every single one of your questions is like about sex. So
I
Great.
mean, we all
I mean,
know.
do I give off a vibe? I don't know.
what's the dirtiest thing a partner has ever asked you to do?
I don't actually really think I've been asked that, like, to do any like anything gross, like nothing on your level. Like that's not
fuck
happened to
me.
me. I don't know. Do you know what? The only thing I can possibly say, because it's absolutely disgusting for me, is to ask to put it in my butt, and I've obviously said absolutely not, because that just
Yeah.
can't happen. Out of all of your boyfriends, which one's been your favourite?
Oh.
I was about to say his name. My most recent boyfriend. I was about to say his name, but like, not many people know his name, and I don't want to like draw attention to that now that it's we're no longer together. But yeah,
We'll call
because-
him
We'll call
Father Christmas.
you fucking
Father Christmas.
Yeah, by far. The previous
Aw.
two were
Aw.
questionable. I'm
Oh.
still gonna shot anyway.
What did you say? What did you fucking say? Sorry. What did you say? What did you say?
What are you uploading?
I said daily, it's daily. It's your fucking daily vlog.
Because I've got...
What'd you say? What? What'd you say? What's going on? I'm missing things.
Hannah's my favourite, what am I trying to say? Fuck. My favourite facial expression of Hans is this when she's like,
You actually do that. It really reminds me of Sid from Ice Age. Right. Oh, he's the best.
Well, yeah, I know. It's like that fucking photo where you fucking look. There you go.
this is like such a standard one, but I know you're gonna shot. What's the most you've been paid for a sponsorship?
That is literally yours. That I was gonna say. It's like the most you've ever been paid for sponsored content.
Oh, I have to actually think about that.
The most I've been paid.
I'll let you have a figure.
Oh, five figures. I actually can't remember exactly.
Oh no.
So I'm just gonna say 5 figures, but I know that's obviously like Rachel. Yeah, like fine, I'll do the fucking shot. Oh my god, this is a fucking good one. You're stuck on a desert island and you can only bring Rachel or Madison. Who do you pick? I don't want to. I don't want all this. Well, I picked Madison because I want someone that's just like, you know. And then, but then I picked Rachel because I want, you know. Pick.
I could just shot.
Oh man.
Oh, that boring bitch.
I know it's not me. I know
it's not me. I'd be terrible.
To be fair, I would pick Rachel. My reasoning is me and Mads are too fucking lazy. We would not do shit.
Oh my god, so you picked me because I'd be your bitch. I'd be your bitch.
No, but you would just know what to do. Like, you're that person.
Yeah.
You just know what to do. Like,
I'd probably kill the pig.
like, I swear to God, me and Mads would die. Oh yeah, first day.
Oh,
Okay,
so I'm actually, you want to live longer.
Absolutely, like.
Actually, do you know what? I've got more meat on me, so if anyone's gonna die, it's probably me. You'll eat me first. And you'll probably survive.
I'll shot as well.
I won!
I'm the lazy
You're like,
bitch.
only Jazz.
We were just talking about this,
Okay.
but what's your most embarrassing sex story?
Oh, fuck no. Fuck no.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Oh, I was really like getting ready.
It's not even embarrassing for you, but it's
Wait,
just
do you even know what
Should
to
I
tell
tell
it?
We spoke
Just
about it when I
say
walked
it.
in. Oh my god, I've dribbled that everywhere.
Sorry, what did you say when you walked in? I must have been actually like blacked out.
About the car.
Oh! Sorry,
Yeah.
I remember that. I think I just chose to forget that instantly because
Shut
that is too much.
Oh no.
Get into it.
What's your worst drunken experience?
Oh my god. So,
I know what
you would
yours
say.
is. I know what yours is.
Do you?
What, when you were fucking falling over in front of Liv, like on the actual floor?
oh my
Like,
god.
I wasn't even there, but you told me about it and
Yeah,
it sounded
I'm
bad.
I feel like we've never actually been like
Mortally drunk.
mortally drunk.
I've actually personally never seen you mortally drunk because
I
I think
know.
I've been like
The
so
most.
past it that like if you were mortal drunk, that's fine because like I'm actually dead.
Oh, I had a nap in the toilets of a club.
I don't know that.
Yeah.
Didn't it like fucking close?
Yeah.
Yeah, that happened to me. They had to go.
But
Excuse me. It's 3 a.m. and the club is closing, and I was like, pardon? Nothing.
What is your body count?
I think it is about 13, 14 or 15. I think every motherfucker out there thinks I'm in like 265 or like something. No. And I've actually decided, I've told myself now, I am not, the next person I sleep with is my husband or it is a past person.
Yeah.
I don't really need to sleep with any more people. I don't want to sleep with any more people. It's hubby or
Oh god.
hubby or nubby. I like set out to get my virginity back. I made a pact with myself. Like, I want my virginity back. I like can't be asked with everyone that's in the past. Not regret them all, but I'm just like, sack it. And yeah.
Nice.
Thank you. So I feel like I answered that. I'm still going to do a shot because I'm like on the roll and I actually can't see. I can't see.
Okay, who is the best sex you've ever had? I'm just going in there. I'm not even gonna like warn you. I'm asking you. Do you know what? I don't. No, I know who
I don't
would
know
say
the
for
answer.
this. No, I know who she would say for this.
I don't know who you'd say.
I know
I
who
mean,
I'd say.
Well,
do you
then
want to say it or shot it?
I'm gonna shot.
Okay, shot it and then we'll just
Yeah,
go.
I'm gonna shot.
Whose horse is it?
Who's horse?
Whose horse is it?
Han, would you like to answer it?
Is she
I
right?
reckon.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Name one thing, and it can't be like a pussy way out. Name one
Rachel.
thing you don't like about me and Han, and it has to be genuine.
Oh, I could definitely name things about you. I've had. I swear I had this question.
Your punctuality will
Oh,
be the
yeah.
death of me because I think it's rude. Like, but I think it's like rude
Yeah.
if anyone is late. I just think like you don't care. I've always said it, and like literally, Hannah was like, "When do you think Mads will arrive?" And I was probably like next week. I'm gonna say that.
okay, yeah.
Taking this for you.
Yeah,
You, when you're in a bad mood, I'm in a bad mood, and I actually really hate being in a bad mood.
No, I get
like
that.
if you're like feeling really just like antisocial and like you don't want to you do anything, I'm like.
Yeah.
Okay, because, but like sometimes I can be in that mood and that's
Yeah.
fine. Like let's just cry and like literally, you know, whatever.
No,
How much was your last brand deal? Was it Case-to-Fire?
It was Case-to-Fire. I mean, I'm not gonna say because I feel like that's just.
Yeah.
It was 4 figures.
Same.
So I'm gonna like, I'll say that, but obviously I'll shot it because that's not like a proper answer.
I've got the last one for you.
Okay, do you have any guilty sexual pleasures? All of yours are sexual as well, so hi.
Hello. Do you know what? I feel like my pops is gonna watch this. So, out of everyone that I've been with or seen, who would you date?
Oh, that's a
who'd
good
I
question.
date?
That's a good question. I feel like I know who you'll say. Maybe not though.
You might have to beep out the name if it's like.
No, I would say Pat.
Actually, no, I knew you were gonna say Pat.
He's
Pat is just such a
he's just
sweetheart.
so
Angel.
genuine. He's no one like in the public eye, and is actually just like the nicest guy ever.
Yeah.
And it's so like a big thing for me is that like the boy that I would be with has to get on with my friends. Like,
Yeah.
like Pat would get on with the brick wall. Like
He's
if you were like
basically one of us.
yeah. And
Yeah.
he thinks that like my humor's really funny, so like
Yeah.
oh, this is a good one. Okay, this is your last one, okay?
Oh, okay.
Who would you rather be Charlie's girlfriend, Rachel or Madison?
Oh.
You're Charlie's girl. I was like, who's Charlie?
That is
Your
such
brother.
a good question.
Oh no, neither of you.
You have to pick one.
We're both foot girls.
Oh my god.
But you have to pick one.
No, I don't
Or
know.
shot.
I'm just gonna shot it because neither of you, I don't think. That is a good question though.
That is a good
It's not so that's like that's gonna be the
Like-
last one.
I just couldn't picture either of you with Charlie.
I feel like because he's your little brother, that's
Yeah,
how I
it's-
see it.
yeah,
like a little
He'd be
brother.
wrapped around my finger within 2 seconds.
I mean, alright.
No, but that's the same with my. But that's
Fucking what is? Okay, so I feel like we're gonna end the video there. We're all drunk. I will link their channels down below. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And yeah, we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Lovely.
Have I looked like this the whole time?
We've got a lovely shot here.
We do.